Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jason from BUYXZ, and today we're going to look at the new text features in the app Procreate. So I use Procreate in my class all the time with my students and for design in all the clothing for BUYXZ. Everything that we make for our shirts is hand-drawn and drawn in the app, and today, with their update that just came out recently, we're going to look at the new text feature. So we'll start by making a new document and working inside of there. I always like to make my canvas a little bit smaller just so I can see the edges of the page on my screen. Now I'm making my first layer black just so that we can see the white text stand out from the document. To add text, we're going to click on Actions, which is the wrench symbol, and then click Add and Add Text. Right away you can see that there's a generic text field that pops up and a keyboard for you to type in. What's really exciting here in Procreate is that if you click Edit Style, this second window pops up with all of your fonts, styles, and the different design controls that you have, and the attributes like adjustments and underline. You can even make outlines on text, and you can change your text to all caps just by toggling that double T switch back and forth. You can see on the screen as I adjust each setting how it affects the text above it. This live preview is a really handy feature to have. The live preview works well when you're selecting your fonts so that you don't have to close a window and see what's happening behind it, as in some other programs. Now let's look at how to install a font. So for this tutorial I've gone to dafont.com and downloaded the text Varsity. I use the app iZip to unzip my file, and the nice thing is that Procreate recognizes the files right from inside that app. Now to install the font, I go back into Procreate, bring up text, click on Edit Styles, and click on Import Font. I can then choose my iZip folder and go to the font that I've chosen and click on the font, and it will import it into the program for me. You can see that when you add fonts, every time you add a new font or click on the text tool to add new text, it creates a new layer that you can do all your normal things that you can in Procreate of delete, duplicate, and everything with it in there. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to use fonts and typography inside of Procreate. If you've liked this video, click on the subscribe button down below so you can see more content like this in the future. Until next time.